Hardware. Hardware refers to the physical devices of the computer system. Thus the various input, output, storage, processing devices connected in a computer system constitute the hardware. Some common hardware devices are the monitor, hard disk drive, keyboard, printer, RAM, etc. Cons. The various physical devices or the hardware in a PC cannot work on their own. To make the hardware work properly, we require a set of programs or instructions. These set of programs whose objective is to enhance the capability of the computer machine is called the software. Software. The term software refers to a set of computer programs, procedure, and associated documents, flowcharts, manuals, etc., describing the programs, and how they are to be used. A software package is a group of programs that solve a specific problem or perform a specific type of job. For example, a word processing package may contain programs for text editing, text formatting, drawing graphics, spelling checking, etc. Types of software. Application software, system software, service software. 1. Application software. Application software is a set programs designed to solve the specific functions of the user. For example, an application software designed for word processing may be used to create, edit, view, format, store and print documents. The set of programs included in the application software packages are called application programs, and the programmers who prepare the application software are called application software programmers. Cont. It is very difficult to exactly classify the various application software available, but they can be broadly classified under the following categories: word processing software, spreadsheet software, database software, graphics and presentation software, entertainment and educational software, communication software. Microsoft Word, Wikipedia. Word processing software. Word processing software is the most widely used in computer system to create, edit, view, store, retrieve and print documents. It is actually the computerized version of the earlier available mechanical device, the typewriter. It helps to change appearance of type by changing fonts, generate indexes, and table of contents. We can also bold, italic, underline a particular character using this application software. The most common word processing software that is available in Microsoft Word. Spreadsheet software. The spreadsheet software allows the user to prepare the computerized ledger. It is used for preparing financial results, maintain accounts, etc. A large grid of columns and rows are available at usage of the user. Each box in which data can be entered is called a cell. User can enter data into cells and with the use of formulas produce different results. The most common spreadsheet software that is used widely is MS Excel. Database software. A database software is a set or programs that helps the user to create the database, maintain it by performing modifications, organize it and relatively retrieve useful information from it. The various manipulation tasks that can be performed on a database are in insertion, deletion, updation, etc. Database software is widely used today in both small and large organizations. It helps to maintain records of employee data, customer data, accounting data, etc. The most common database software are FoxPro, DBase, Oracle, Sybase, etc. Graphics and presentation software. The graphics software helps to manipulate images and drawing on the computer system. Using these software we can draw the pictures from scratch, using input devices like mouse and light pen. They can also be used to fill colors in the illustrations. The most common graphics software includes the Paintbrush and CorelDRAW. The presentation software is a part of graphics application which helps to present the products of a company to the customers in more lively and interesting manner. The most famous presentation software that is available is Microsoft PowerPoint. Entertainment and educational software. Entertainment and educational software are most widely used application software used nowadays. Thousands of games, tutorial and simulations are available on the computer. Interactive television application allow users to either use their computer systems as an interactive television or to convert conventional televisions into an interactive television. Students can also give online examination in which an examiner can use a computer during examination. Communication software. These software are used to connect different users so that they can share information and resources. With the use of devices like modems which help to exchange information over telephone lines, we can communicate with users at far places. These software help to create network of computers which are connected to each other through cables or use wireless medium for their connection. 2. System software. The system software is a set of programs that coordinate the operation of various hardware components connected to a computer. It acts as an interface between the user and the computer. It makes the operation of a computer system more effective and efficient. The programs that constitute the system software are called the system software. A computer without system software would be very difficult to operate upon. CONT. The computer manufacturers usually provide system software. The various types of computers require different types of system software programs in order to operate. Example of system software are operating system, language translators. Operating system. The operating system is a collection of programs that controls the operations of all the hardware components and various other resources in a computer system. A computer without an operating system is useless. It is responsible for smooth and efficient operation of the computer. The operating system of a computer controls the CPU, memory, I/O devices like keyboard, mouse, printer, etc. Language translators. Assemblers, compilers, and interpreter are collectively known as language translators. These language translators convert language from to another. Assembler translates the program written in the assembly language into TE machine language. Compiler translates the whole program written in high-level language by a programmer into machine language. Interpreter translates each source program line by line into machine language. It executes line-wise, so if an error occurs it stops and does not execute the next instruction unless the previous error instruction is removed. 3. Service software. The service software of the utility software is a software generally provided by the vendors as ready-made package to do some specific operations. Though these can be defined as application software also, but as these are generally designed by the manufacturers and are provided on very nominal charges. The various services provided by the service software are file management, antivirus utility, backup utility, data recovery software, screensavers, data compression. File management. It consists of a set of generalized operations on data files. The various operations that can be performed are sorting, searching, merging, copying, printing and labeling. It may also defragment the file so that minimum possible storage space is required. It takes longer to read and write on a fragmented files because read-write head has to be repositioned many times while working with same file. Antivirus utility. Any program that affect the normal working of the programs or affect the boot sector of the disk is a virus. Virus stands for Vital Information Resource Under Siege. The virus may destroy the files, display unwanted information on the screen, or may format the disk. The antivirus software detects the virus, identify and prevent it from spreading. If virus spreads, antivirus control its damage and remove them. Backup utility. When we dealing with large volumes of data or copying large groups of files from disk to some other external storage media, we need to keep its backup. If it is not done, then an illegal operation may result in data loss. To do this, we have backup software available to us. These backup software are now part of standard operating system. Data recovery software. Sometimes an illegal operation may result in an accidental loss of data, i.e., an important file may be deleted which was still to be needed. So we need to recover this data. Many data recovery software are available to us in our operating system itself. Like in Windows operating system, we have Recycle Bin. The deleted files are erased or deleted completely from the system only when they deleted from Recycle Bin. Screensavers. Sometimes when no input is received by the computer for several minutes, then a program activates and displays moving images on the screen. This program is called the screensaver. This is a program normally available in the Windows operating system. Today a variety of screensaver are available and the user can choose any one depending upon his requirements. Data compression. To reduce the storage requirements for a particular set of program or files, we need to compress it. Doing this help us store the same file in lesser amount of storage space. Thus the free storage include space could be used by some other program. The most widely used data compression software include WinZip. Using this we can compress the data stored in a file and then store in a particular device which could not been stored earlier. References: Singh, H., Kakkar, S.K., and Sharma, A. 2006. A Book of Fundamentals of Information Technology. Lock and Pull Publishers, Amritsar, India. Sinha, P.K.N. Sinha, P. 2011. Computer Fundamentals, BPB Publications, New Delhi.